What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Don McCord YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a little bit of that flatbed trucking. Let me turn you around and show you what we got. So as you can see, we got purple here. What's that behind it? Oh, it's a flatbed. What is that big thing? That there is about a 65-foot long beam. Look at the thickness on that thing. That is a giant I-beam. So as you can see, I am pretty long today. That's a 53-foot tandem flatbed. And as you can see, we got some overhang. I wanted them to hang a little over the front, but they wouldn't do that, so I don't know why they did it last week, but yeah, here's where we're at. We are down in Noonan, Georgia, and we are taking this to Kingston, Georgia, where they're building that battery plant up there. So yeah, I just wanted to share a little bit, and I'll get back with y'all in a little bit whenever we get over there to drop this. Alright guys, so we made it out here to the Hyundai battery plant, and as you can see, we got our load off. We made it with our it's actually a 70-foot beam, 70 foot 7 inches. We got it unloaded. It's that beam right there. They got a big operation going up here, guys. So they've been hauling this steel since July. I wish I would have found out about it sooner, because I would have been working on doing this, making $1,300 to $1,600 a day for 240 miles, all local. Good to be at home at night, you know. So, all right, well, I'm gonna head back and get another one. What's going on, guys? I hope y'all enjoyed a little adventure in cabover flatbed trucking today, hauling some steel beams. I went back to the shipper and to drop the trailer and grab my second load. Well, it turns out they didn't have another load for me today, so I went ahead and booked 2 for tomorrow, and then 2 for the Wednesday after Christmas. I guess that would be the 27th. I'll do 2 more. And then I'll probably do some more next weekend too. Gotta get that money where you can. And it sucks that they didn't have another one for me, because, you know, I mean, I still made good money on what I was doing, but I was hoping to get another one so that way I could double down, you know. But now I left Noonan and I'm headed back up towards Atlanta, fight traffic around 285, and get my butt to the house, drink a cold beer, and go to bed, and get up in the morning and go do it all again. And hopefully I'll get my 2 in tomorrow and make up for today. So, yeah, I appreciate y'all stopping by, and I guess we'll see you on the next one. I'll try to film some more tomorrow, and we'll post another one. See what kind of load I get tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for coming back.